welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be working on the 240 again. So I am having an issue where the car is dying out when I turn the fans on, and I think that it's the alternator. So I just picked up a new one. It just came in the mail. So this is the alternator that just came in. It's a high amp output one, and I got the high amp one because I do have the subs in the back, the air suspension, and also the fans. And right now with just the fans hooked up, when I manually turn it on, the car RPMs drop so low that sometimes the car even dies. So it could be that the alternator is just going bad, but I wanted to get a higher output one just because I have all the extra things hooked up to it. So hopefully this is it, because this is one of the last things that I need to figure out on the car before we can start driving it.
So Christine's car actually has power steering. We didn't go over this because we were trying to prep the car the day before the event. We didn't really have time to video a lot of it, but we're running the 1UZ pump with the reservoir on the top of the pump. It's factory like this on the 1UZ, at least for the LS400s. And then we have this adapter line. So we have this pump with an adapter in it to this AN line that runs all the way under along the steering rack to the other end, and that's pretty much all you need to run power steering from 1UZ to KA. The line is from Suspicious Garage as well. So yeah, all you need to do is buy this line or make it yourself, put the adapters in the line and the rack, and you're good. Got it? Is that all the wires?
Yeah.
Let's see if it can come out. I think it comes forward. Show your face now. Everything on yours?
Yes, please.
Okay, you want something?
Want something? Something. They have
ice cream, we have fruit on this. I already bought
I see ice cream.
You want ice cream?
Ice cream,
Okay, ice cream, yeah.
strawberry, vanilla, mango.
Strawberry, please. Ooh.
it's good.
Yeah.
And
How much? $4. Let me get one of that one too.
try your ice cream.
That one's good. I have one more. This one. No need change.
Okay, next week. Okay.
Same time.
Next week? Okay, thank you so much.
We'll see you.
Ooh. Come, Kaylee, let's try our goodies. Can you?
That's good. Did you try that?
This is super good.
Elote break. Come here.
Okay. It's super good.
This is good too, guys.
I think that one is super good. The vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay, we're gonna have a elote break, and then we'll get back to putting that car back together. It's like there.
Now the new alternator is back in and everything is put back together. I'm gonna hook up the battery and then try to start the car. So everything starts. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit so the alternator can charge up the battery because the battery was completely dead. So I'm just gonna let it run for a couple of minutes and then I can try to turn on the fans and then also the air suspension and everything else and see if the idle still stay about the same. So now that the new alternator is inside the car, and that should kind of fix my problem of the car dying out when I turn the fans on, or the battery just being dead because it wasn't charging when it was on. So I think that should solve my problem. So now I'm back in here because my air suspension is right at the top deck in the trunk, and for some reason the power and the ground is hooked up good. It's just the switch wire isn't giving any power. So I instead ran that power wire or the switch wire all the way back to the front, and then I have it hooked up to the cigarette lighter, and now everything turns on. And for some reason this fuse, this electron BATT, it keeps blowing every time I plug the radio in. So I just have the radio out for now, because the main thing is to at least get the car started in the meantime. So in the meantime, we're not going to have any radio, but that's not too big of a deal. As long as the car functions how it's supposed to, it's fine. So I do have the sub hooked up, the air suspension hooked up, and now the new alternators and everything runs how it's supposed to. So I think that's it for today. We're going to call it a day because the sun is about to go down. And we're gonna head to the store. So we're gonna go to San Francisco and I'll take you guys with us. We just came back from San Francisco and we've been eating outside inside the garage because we have this little table set up here for now. We had this little clay Japanese grill that we've been using, so we've been eating out here next to the car and it's been kind of cool. So today we're gonna eat our H Mart stuff that we just picked up. How is it? It's always good. This time the pieces of fish is bigger, huh?
So good though.
Yeah. We moved into the house because outside is cold. I was trying to set it up outside, but it was too cold.
Yeah.
So that's going to be it for our video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay good.
Stay good.